Welcome to video number 4, creating boards. As a follow-on to video 3, you can see here we've added our final distribution board and the cable has been sized on just a general load based on 40 amps. I might now want to go into the board and put my explicit way information in at final board level. The software works on main overview mode, which is what you're seeing here, and then final distribution board level. To gain access to the final distribution board, select the distribution board and then select the Ways button. And this will take us into the general information that we need to fill out for the distribution board. Putting in your reference, your number of ways, the phasing arrangement. Unless you're specifically intending to set up a board as single phase, if you want mixed ways on a board, always set the board up initially as a TP&N. This will then allow you to change the phase and build up a board consisting of individual L1, L2 and L3 single phase ways and 3-phase ways. Because we've added a cable to this distribution board already, it's calculated the initial short circuit fault level and earth loop impedance. However, later on we will use the join board facility so that the fault level from the supply, depending on other upstream factors, could well vary the short circuit fault level at the board, and it could possibly affect your protection gear selection. In this case you can see the rating of the protection gear at 15 kA. As we've only got 3 kA at the board, then I don't think we're going to have a problem with that. We can see here we get the maximum voltage drop, excluding the lighting circuits in terms of a voltage. This will then become populated as we load the board up. The premises and location determines the diversity. Other will allow you to diversify lighting, sockets and cooking circuits designated as such. If you select dwelling, shop office or small hotel, you lose the ability to diversify these circuits. These will be diversified in accordance with the 17th, soon to be 18th edition. Medical locations can be ascertained depending on the type of location, the way in the board is serving. This brings up a PDF giving you the information based on the safety class of the type of space. The implication being an operating theatre is more important than a general consultancy room in terms of disconnection, etc. We also have the ability to apply individual means of isolation and UPS to a board. You could employ the use of an isolation transformer, a voltage transformer, or a standard UPS. Once we've filled out the final board general details, selecting OK, we're asked if you want to join the board into the system. This means that at this point we can have the supply information filtered down to the distribution board. We're then invited to set up the main phasing arrangement on the board. Setting up the TP&N. This then gives us the description of the board, where now the first feature would be to use the final circuits, which we'll explore in the next video.